Hello, good morning everybody. It is Saturday the 20th of August 2022. I am just down at the pier head right by the new Isle of Man ferry terminal. You might be able to tell I'm in a bit of a rush. I've come to get the World Voyager Cruise Ship by drone, and I can see it coming down the Mersey. Right now it's just over there. I've just done a one of my other videos of the Everton Stadium at Bramley-Moore Dock. So as I was up in the air, I've spotted it coming down. So anyway, yeah, I have to get the drone up in the air now because I like to catch them sailing down the Mersey a little bit. So gonna get the drone up now, get over there, take some nice shots of this World Voyager cruise ship. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay guys, so that was the World Voyager cruise liner by drone, by Mr. Drone. I got in and got the drone up and captured it coming down and got some really nice circular shots of I think, do you know what, my thumbs, for some reason, it's not actually that cold, it's a bit chilly, it's not that cold, but my thumbs have gone numb. I don't know why, so it was a bit difficult to get the kind of exact motions I'd like to, but I should have been able to put enough together there anyway. I hope so. So there was some fantastic shots. So that's obviously not the biggest cruise ship in the world by a long stretch, but it is one of the nicest looking ones. It looks fantastic, that one. It's absolutely lovely looking ship, in my opinion, isn't it? So yeah, I believe there's a photographer who's always here every time there's ships coming in, really dedicated to it, and he's just said that its sister is due in on Monday, which is the World Navigator. However, the weather's not supposed to be that great Monday, but hopefully we'll get that one as well. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that. That was the World Voyager cruise ship by drone, by Mr. Drone. Just another one to add to the collection of drone shots. Guys, if anybody'd like to buy me a beer, you can do so using this link. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care everyone.